Hi everybody, Samantha Shriver, Independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, coming to you today with a new card tutorial. Today we're going to make this card using the Abstract Beauty Designer Series paper and the Friendly Hello stamp set. We're also going to make that same card but with the Garden Birdhouses stamp set as well. I wanted to announce a winner from my last card giveaway. That was for this Tulip Z-Fold card, and that winner is Patricia. If you can send me an email with your address to myhappinesscreated@gmail.com, and I will get that out into the mail to you. Thank you. Today we're going to make this beautiful card. I love the gold in the paper with the gold trim and those gold jewels. They look so pretty together. We're going to be using the Friendly Hello stamp set. This is going to be a very easy, simple stamping card. I hope you guys enjoy. First, we're going to make our card base, which we take our 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, cut it in half and fold it in half. Today, we'll be using the Abstract Beauty Designer Series paper for our card. And we're going to use these gold pieces. The thing I like about this paper is it's 4 by 6, so you don't have to trim much of it off for your card base. So it's already cut at 4 inches. We're just going to cut it the long way at 5.5, so we have a little bit of a border around our card. I guess I had another piece stuck under there. I didn't see that. But that's good because this needs to be the other length as well. So let's adhere this to our card base. And we'll just center that so that there's a nice border around. And then we're going to cut this piece. And since we just cut it to the 5 1/4, we're just going to cut a 1-inch strip. This is going to lay across the center of our card. So let's adhere that down. And that will just go in the middle. Then next we are going to take our scalloped die. So this is from the Scalloped Contours die set, and it's the 3rd largest rectangle scallop die. So we're going to take that. I'm going to take my foam mat and my Friendly Hello stamp set. This was a celebration set, so a lot of you may already have this stamp set. I think it will fit on this block. And then I'm going to get my Memento black ink. We're just going to ink this up. And then we'll center this and stamp. Okay, and there's our image. Next, we're going to take our gems. So I thought that these genial gems went really well with that gold paper. bear with me 1 second. I am going to grab my Take Your Pick tool. And then we're going to take 2 of the larger gems and then put them in the center of the flowers. It's just very simple and it looks very pretty. I didn't even use a cinnamon on this card, though you definitely could add one in if you wanted. So I'm gonna put my adhesive down, and then I'm gonna grab my elegant trim. So I use the Simply Elegant trim in gold. We're just gonna tie a little bow. There's a little speck on there I just want to get off quick. And just bear with me a second as I try to tie this bow. And I do want the bow more towards the bottom, so I'm just gonna put my string down there and start tying my bow in that area. And now we just play around with loosening it and tightening it until we get it to the size and the look that we want. It just usually takes me just a couple tries to get that there. I do like a little bow with this, so I want to try to keep it a tiny little bow. And it's just rolling up a little on itself there. I just want it to be open a little bit. So I'm just gonna try to hold it open. Yep, there we go. When I do this, I think that helps. And now I'm just gonna trim. I do fuss a lot with my bows. I don't, like that one's a little upside down to me. So I think what I'm gonna do is take this and flip it. Okay. Sorry, guys. I know this is taking longer than I thought. I'm determined to not have to start all over with it, but I don't know, I might have to. It's just not coming out the way I want. All right, I'll try not to be too fussy about it. I'm just gonna grab a glue dot to secure this. And that will just hold it down in place. Not my favorite bow that I've done, but it'll do for now. And then we're gonna stick this right in the middle. And there's our finished cards. That was super quick and easy. And I did want to just make one more card with this paper, but with a current stamp set that I thought would be nice. You know what? This is just not wanting to stick down. So I'm just going to add a little more adhesive here. But I just want to do another quick card with a current stamp set for you guys using the same black and white and gold. All right, so there we go. And we'll grab our other card base. I'm going to cut this paper really quick to 5 1/4. While I have my trimmer out, we will take this, which is already cut to 5 1/4, and we'll just cut a 1-inch strip again. Oop, there we go. And we will adhere this to our card base. And the same thing, just center it in the middle of your card base so that you have that white border going around, and then this will adhere to the middle. I want to use the Garden Birdhouses stamp set for the second card. So let's grab our scalloped rectangle. And I took the 3 birdhouses and lined them up on this block. So we'll stamp with these. It is so absolutely freezing today. I had to quick put a sweater on. We're having some snow and inclement weather. Let's see, so I'm gonna stamp this. And I put that middle birdhouse down a little bit farther so that I can stamp our little bird. So I just wanted to leave some room for that. Just gotta put this closer to me. So there's that. And then we have the stands for our birdhouses. So what I'm gonna do is use my Post-it tape just to mask off the bottom of this. So you'll see in a moment what I'm gonna do. And just put this on the bottom. That's just going to cover up that scallop piece. And we can stamp the sticks for the birdhouses. And then we'll just remove that. And you can see it just saved the ink from going on that bottom part. I should have put paper down, I didn't, so I got some ink on here again. I'm just gonna flip this quick. And I am going to grab our trim here so I can do another bow. Hope that I have a little bit of better luck with this one. And if I flip it sideways, oh, and I lost that. All right. It's not a good bow day. Having a little bit of a struggle today with them. Oh, let's see. This, now we can start tightening this. Make it a little smaller, tighten it up, and I just keep doing that, just tightening and readjusting it until it gets to where I want. All right, so now I'm gonna trim this, grab my glue dot. Oh, wrong way. I'm just gonna cut this little glue dot in half. And then adhere this. This just helps my bow stay put. Sorry guys, it's not wanting to come off. There we go. So I'm just going to press that down. I don't know how I keep doing this today. I keep making my bows upside down. I don't know why. That is so bizarre. I usually don't do that, but it keeps happening to me today. I'm just gonna flip this. I mean, it's an easy fix, but I don't know why I keep doing that. Okay, just trim this a little more. Then next we're gonna adhere this to our card base. I did have to put this bow a little closer to the edge just because of the image. So it is closer to the edge. And we'll adhere this down. And I'm gonna take my Genial Gems and my take your pick tool, and then we're just gonna put these, put these gems down. I just like how the little bit of gold just makes it pop from the paper. It just matches nicely. And then I'll put one of the big ones in the center here. So just a very quick and easy symbol stamping card. That's our finished card. I really love this one, but I did want to show you, in case you were unable to get that Friendly Hello Celebration set, a current stamp set with this, so the Garden Birdhouses. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't mind liking this video and subscribing to my channel, I do pick a giveaway winner. So if you leave me a comment next Sunday, I will pick a winner for this card. Just leave me a comment below and I'll put it out to the mail to you guys. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your weekend.